Hi there, and welcome to the Sales Enablement Plan Playbook. Use this step-by-step playbook and set of premium tools and templates to create a comprehensive sales enablement plan. Each playbook begins with a table of contents and a framework for quick reference to the tools and templates highlighted throughout this step-by-step guide. Also included is a maturity model that helps you understand where your organization sits in the spectrum of sales enablement maturity. Our playbooks are filled with links to our practical modern marketing tools, templates, and training, which are organized stage by stage, step by step, starting with stage number 1, get project approval. And here, the first step is to assess organizational readiness, build a business case, and then create a strategy scorecard. In stage number 2, we move into preparing your company. And here, the first step is to conduct a sales support survey. Then you move into assessing sales and marketing alignment, audit conditions of existing assets, and then outline new roles and responsibilities. In stage 3, you're going to implement solutions. Here you start by implementing a CRM system, followed by a marketing automation system, and then a sales intelligence system, CPQ system if necessary, an enablement KM system, and a sales communication system. In stage 4, you build a sales playbook. And here, the first step is to identify key buyer personas and needs. Then you map assets and messages to the buying process. You build a sales playbook, including your company overview, marketing insights, sales opportunities. Stage 1, building the need. Stage 2, discovery. Stage 3, consideration. Stage 4, decision. Stage 5, purchase. Then you're going to put that playbook in your sales enablement system. In stage 5, you're going to launch it all to sales. And here, your first step is to launch a pilot group of sales reps, and then launch to your full sales team, ultimately launching to all of your channel partners. In stage number 6, you're going to measure and evolve. And here, your first step is to set up a metrics dashboard. And then you're going to conduct a post-project evaluation. Ultimately, you're going to update that sales playbook as you continue to evolve this program. Remember that you can access all these resources in a single page at the start of this guide and on its own with the Sales Enablement Framework. Succeed with sales enablement by downloading and leveraging this playbook today.